Today I will teach you how to swing trade gold. I will show you how to do a market analysis for swing trading, simple entry strategy, and a lot of useful gold trading tips. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and learn gold swing trading. I always say to my students that the best way to swing trade gold is to trade with the trend. Obviously, a global trend on gold is bullish, and for swing trading, we will only look for swing buying. In order to buy the market properly, first we will need to analyze a global market trend, and obviously you can see that the market is sharply bullish. Also, you will need to understand recent price action. You will need to analyze the price action for the last couple of months. You can see that over here is our last high. Here was our last bullish wave, and here's our all-time high. Once it was reached, the market started a correctional movement. The market started to trade in a minor bearish trend. As we discussed in one of my previous videos, the market reached that liquidity zone, the market reached that demand zone, and then sentiment started to change. If you want to become a full-time trader, I want to invite you in my premium educational group. There you will see how I trade live. There you will see how I analyze different markets live. You will get my trading strategy, my course, and the access to my daily live streams. For more info, check the link in the description below. You can see that on a daily time frame, gold was trading within a falling channel. You can see that this minor bearish trend that we spotted represents a correctional movement. Gold was correcting. Gold was seeking for the market liquidity. And once it found this liquidity, once that demand zone was reached, look what happened with the market. The market went up. The market reached the resistance of the channel. We got a pullback from that, and then the market managed to violate its resistance. You can see that this flag pattern perfectly represents a correction, and a violation of the resistance of the flag is of course the signal that correction is over. It is the signal that the market is no more bearish, the market is returning back to global bullish trend, and such a violation is a clear signal that buyers are dominating again. And from such a perspective, we can already make a prediction that first of all, we have a confirmed trend change, minor bearish trend violated, we established a new minor bullish trend, and we can predict that the market will go up. Our closest strong resistance that we see is right here, and we can make a prediction that our next swing move will reach at least that resistance. It is our closest strong daily resistance. And after that, what we need to do, we need to find safe points for us to buy. We cannot buy randomly from random price level. We will need to find safe spots for buying. And in order to do that, we should analyze vertical and horizontal structures and find strong supports for buying. Our closest strong support is right here. It was strong resistance. After the breakout, it may turn into a strong support. Then over here, we have a recently broken structure. Yes, we also got a minor resistance right here that was violated. And also we got a broken trend line. Broken trend line from such a perspective is now a strong vertical support, and this trend line and our broken horizontal structure will compose the expanding demand zone. We will assume that buyers will place their orders within that entire zone, and that will be the zone from where we can look for swing buying. And we have one more important support. We have a very important support cluster that we should also take into consideration. So we spotted 3 significant supports. And the main problem with swing trading is that the next bullish movement may initiate from one of the zones, but we don't know which zone exactly will be respected. We just know that all the zones are significant, and definitely buyers are placing their buying orders within these areas. But from which one exactly the next wave will initiate, we don't know. So here, multiple time frame analysis comes into play, and after a test of one of the zones, your task will be to look for a confirmation signal. Your task will be to look for an intraday bullish confirmation. And let me show you how to do that. Once you see the test of one of the zones that you spotted, start analyzing an hourly time frame. You can see that our upper support cluster is now tested, and we analyze how the price reacts to that on an hourly time frame. On this time frame, you will need to see the sign of strength of the buyers. You will need to see a strong bullish confirmation. It can be a high momentum bullish candle. It can be a bullish breakout of some minor resistance. It can be some bullish price action pattern. For example, analyzing an hourly time frame now, we can see that on an hourly time frame, the price is now respecting this minor resistance. You can see that the market is now trading in a minor bearish trend, and we have a strong resistance right here. And on that yellow support, we are now consolidating, and that is the range where gold is stuck at the moment. So what can be our signal to buy from such a perspective? Our sign of strength of the buyers will be a bullish violation of that resistance. Only when the price violates that, we can confirm that buyers are dominating from the intraday perspective, and that will be our signal to buy. Then we can go long, then we can open a swing long trade, and we can anticipate a bullish movement all the way up to our daily resistance, to the resistance that we spotted on daily. And after we see a breakout of that intraday resistance, yes, we buy. Our target for our swing long trade will be based on that resistance, a couple of pips below that, and stop loss will strictly lie below the lows. Remember that the main problem with that approach is that there's no guarantee that the resistance of the range will be broken. Remember that we have 3 significant support zones, and the market may easily drop lower and reach our next support. So before you buy, you will need to look for a strong bullish confirmation first. So the price may drop lower today and reach our next strong support. Then once the next strong support is reached, you start looking for the same bullish signal. And you keep being patient and you look for such a signal first before you buy. Summarizing, we spotted that gold has successfully completed a correction on a daily time frame. We see multiple strong bullish clues that confirm that the correctional movement is over and that the market is bullish. Again, we have confirmed violation of a resistance line of a bullish flag. We have bullish breakouts of 2 minor daily resistances, so we can expect that soon the price will reach at least that resistance. And what we are doing now, we are looking for the confirmation signal on an hourly time frame. We monitor the price action on our first daily support that we spotted, and that is how we swing trade gold with the trend. Let me know this in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, just let me know if you want to see more videos about gold swing trading. Learn how to trade in my trading academy. Watch how I trade gold live on VIP daily live streams. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, please watch my other videos.